Hey guys, look at my chicken here. Whoa, what chicken? That chicken, huh? Can I just see? There he is! And what is he saying? That's pretty amazing. The chicken is looking amazing, and what's he gonna do? So, watch what will happen. Wow, he has laid an egg. That's good, Mr. Chicken. Okay, now what will happen? I can do this. Put the egg here, hold the egg, and now count it to 3, 2, 1. Abracadabra! Wow! That chicken turned into a golden chicken! That's pretty amazing. So he has got all the steps. Right, turn this egg into a golden egg. Okay, Mr. Golden Chicken, get onto the seat. Okay, that's better. Now get on. Now I'm gonna turn this egg into a golden egg. 3, 2, 1. Wow! The normal egg turned into a golden egg! Yup, that's right. Mr. Golden Chicken, come and get that golden egg. Pretty amazing. Thanks, Mr. Golden Chicken. Have fun with your golden egg. We like to have fun with that golden chicken. Yep, that's pretty amazing. Anyways, let's have fun with it. Hey, Mr. Golden Chicken. Remember you laid golden eggs during your time in the extreme fortune urgent money? Yep, that would be pretty amazing. Yep, I love that golden chicken. It's looking amazing. I love it. Yep, us do. Yep, let's have fun with him. That's right, let's do this. For having a golden chicken in the house for fun. Later. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna be having this golden egg for the rest of my life. It's looking pretty shiny and gold. Yep, that's right. Golden chicken laying golden eggs for the rest of our lives. Yes, let's do this. We go and have fun with it. Yep, let's go. Have a look at this, Mr. Golden Chicken. What is it? Did you just say that the golden egg looks looking shiny? Yep, thanks, Mr. Golden Chicken. Okay, let's go out and have fun. Yep, let's play inside the room with the golden egg. That would be pretty cool. Let's go!